Good morning, children. I hope you read the story Sumi's Antics and you have learned that we should always obey our parents. Whatever they do for us is for our good. Yes, so when you are sick, you should not trouble them more. You should do whatever they are saying. Okay, so today we'll do the other activities of the lesson. So let's start with words to know. So the first word is miserable, feeling very bad. Whined, complained, pleaded, requested, awful, very bad. Appreciate, understand the importance of something. Antics, tricks. Reward, gift given for some work. Yes. Now be mindful. Focus on senses. When you focus on your sense, you give the busy brain a much needed break. Your brain focus on what you feel with your senses. Instead of other thoughts, take 5 slow breaths. What are the 3 things you can hear? What are the 3 things you can see? And what are the 3 things you can feel? What did you notice? Maybe you heard a clock, or you saw the door, or you felt the table. Yes, children. So we should always focus on our senses sometimes. So sit calmly, just look around, breathe and look around things around you. Maybe you have felt your bed, or maybe you have seen your cupboard, or you have smelled a nice perfume. So do that and see, it's going to help you a lot. Now we'll do question and answers. Why was Sumi miserable? Sumi was miserable because she was down with fever and sore throat and running nose and blocked nose too. Describe Sumi's antics. So Sumi was saying that her throat is aching and she couldn't smell anything, and she was making fuss for not drinking the medicine. Why was mother annoyed? Mother was annoyed because Sumi was not eating anything. So mother was saying, if you will not eat sandwich or soup, then I can't give you medicine. So to get well soon, you need to eat good and then take good medicine. Okay, why do you think mother grind? Mother grind because when Sumi said, I don't want to eat chocolate, I don't want to eat sandwich and I don't want soup, but she said I could smell the chocolate cake. So mother said, oh, very smart you are, huh? You think if you will not eat this, I will give you the chocolate cake. No, you need to eat those, you need to drink the soup and eat sandwich, take medicine, and then let's see. What was Sumi's reward for finishing her food and taking the medicine? Yes, so once Sumi finished the soup and took the medicine, ate the sandwich, then mother gave a piece of big chocolate cake to Sumi, and Sumi was very happy. Now we'll do true and false. Sumi was happy to miss the class picnic. No, false, she was sad. The medicine syrup was sweet. No, false, it was bitter. Sumi could not smell the cake. Sumi could smell the cake. True, she could smell the cake. Mother was annoyed with Sumi's antics. Yes, mother was annoyed. Sumi got a toy as a reward by taking her medicine. No, Sumi got a chocolate cake. Now match the column to show how Sumi came to know about the following. Medicine. So how did she know that it is a medicine? After seeing it. An empty plate. She felt it from the hand. Soup. Tasting. Cake. Smell. Cake is seeing. Coughing. Listening of the sound. Now let's see the body parts. The first one says, what do you see from your eyes? You touch from your hands. You hear from your ears, and you smell from your nose. And last but not the least, you taste from your tongue. So these are our 5 senses, children. So let's do subject connect now, children. Meet Tabitha and Olive. They are silly dragon friends. Ate so many chocolates that some of their teeth fell out. The dragon should have 20 teeth each. Count how many teeth they have and see how many are missing. Circle the dragon who have more teeth. So now you have 2 dragons here. Okay, count their teeth and then circle them and see how many teeth are missing. Okay. Now let's see value for life. There is a new boy in your neighborhood. He has difficulty to speak and take a long time to talk. How will you help and make him feel comfortable? Yes, now Just imagine that you have got a new boy in your neighborhood who cannot speak fast. So he has little difficulty in speaking. So how are you helping that guy? How will you help that child? So you will talk to that child, you will play with that child. Okay. Sometimes children, what happens is we need to mirror the other person. When I say that, I mean like this child who has difficulty in speaking. So that does not mean that you also have to say things, you also have to feel difficult in saying, but then you should lower your rate of speech, speak slowly so that the other child understand what you are trying to say, and make that child comfortable and play with the child. Don't just leave the child like that you cannot speak fast, so I don't want to play with you. No, don't do that. As I said, we all are made differently by God, so we should always appreciate our differences and love our similarities. Okay, so play with that child. Whatever comes in your mind, you write it in this box, children. Okay, now be wise. I am the way I am. I may be bigger or I may be small. I may be thin or I may be fat, but I am the way I am, and I am very happy that way. Yes, see, I just told you, we all are made differently, but we should appreciate and be grateful the way we are. Love each other, be thankful for whatever we have, and always help other. That is the motive and that is the moral of our life, children, and that will give us so much happiness. Okay, now there is a very nice activity for you. Can you describe these things using all 5 senses? One of them is done for you. Yes. So now popcorn is food. How it tastes? Salty, smells buttery, looks yellow, sounds crunchy and feels warm. Yeah. Now we have chocolate. Chocolate is again a food. It tastes sweet. It smells like cocoa type. It looks brown. It sounds crunchy and it feels silky, tasty, soft. So you need to do rest of the things like that. So you have ice cream, you have chips, and you have orange. So fill this in this blocks that are written there. Okay. So that was all about Sumi's antic, children. And what we have learned from the lesson is we should always obey our parents. We should do what they are saying because they know the best. Okay. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, children, bye bye and take care.